Good morning, guys! Now we're going to Nasugbu to EspaSyo Resort. But for now, bago pumunta sa EspaSyo Resort, order muna tayo ng pizza from Angel's Pizza. And since may APC card tayo, buy one take one yung pizza na orderin natin, which is just right here. Yan. Hi, Mama. Hi, Pa. Hi, baby. Good morning. Hi, Happy. Now we're gonna have a buffet lunch. Dito lang din sa building na to. And we're gonna show it later. Bye!
Okay, so dito muna kami kakain. Ito yung name ng buffet restaurant. Zeria's Grill and Restaurant. Eat all you can to. So buffet style. So 400 each. Tapos ito yung mga pagkain. Yan guys, stop over muna tayo sa Kebyang Tunnel. Ayan. So, ang ganda dito. Oh. Umulan kanina pero ngayon hindi na. Yan yung mga tindahan. Konti lang yung riders dito and tourists.
Sabi!
Hi, baby! What are you doing? Hi, Tita! You're building a sandcastle!
Hi, Topi! Baka
Topi! Hi, Topi! Topi!
Naginigilaw na
ka?
ba eh?
Ala, magbabanlaw na yan!
Daw mo na yan.
Banlaw na, baby! Guys, we're just gonna have a quick room tour of our suite here. This is worth 10,000 pesos and it's for 9 packs. Ayan, meron siya ditong kusina, complete with utensils. And may mga chairs and tables na rin and electric fan. Ito, complete yung utensils niya. May mga mugs, glasses, and mga plato, rice cooker, and kettle. And then may basurahan na rin. And ito yung mesa niya. And ito, meron din siyang griller. And merong outside na mga tables para pag mag-grill ka, hang out ka dyan. And these are the beds! Hi, baby! Hi! And we have 2 bunk beds and 1 center bed, which is a double bed. And yung ilalim ng bunk beds is a double size bed. Ang taas ng bunk bed is a single bed. Ito din, double size bed din siya. So, kasyang-kasya siya sa mga 9 or 10 people. Ito yung shower niya. So, rainfall yung type ng shower niya. And may sabitan na rin, and tabo and bucket. And we have AC. This is the CR. Ayan, may provided silang hand soap and tissue. And maganda yung toilet niya, may bidet. And well ventilated naman siya. Hindi siya nakukulog. Hi, baby! Did you enjoy your stay here? You enjoyed your stay? Okay, let's go home na, guys. But we will have lunch first. Yeah, it's our last day and we will have lunch.
Bye!
Okay, bye!